Hi there, today I'm going to replace the front wipers for my 2019 Lexus GX 460. And my GX comes with the OEM factory wipers, and they are no longer good, so today I'm going to replace them. The tools I prepared some metal brushes. I'm going to clean off the rust since Toyota is not very good about the rust proofing on these metals, and the microfiber towel and the paper towel. And paper towel is I'm going to use the paper towel to clean up the metal surface when I clean off the rust. So first I'm going to bring up the wiper. This is the driver's side, and you can see there's a cover here. And in order to remove this cover, it's actually very easy. You just tilt the wiper till you can see the cover pops up. And now you can see there's a tiny clip here. So when you tilt the wipers till the very end, this small clip here will automatically pop up. So all you need to do now is actually press this tiny clip here all the way down and pull down the wiper cover or the mount all the way till the end, and you can see the wiper just comes off like this. Now you can just remove it, and after you remove it, you can place the microfiber down here just in case your wiper just like snap back and hit your windshield. And you can tell there's some rust over here, and you can use the brush to clean them off. And I really don't like Toyotas, especially Lexus now, because I think they are going cheap on these small details, especially if you live in an area with lots of moistures, and you get rust on the metals in the winter time especially. And Toyota is just not doing a very good job on these parts anymore, especially when you buy Toyota just for reliability. But they are no longer there. It's fine. And here I prepare some anti-corrosion chemical. Here is called corrosion free. You can easily buy this on Amazon. This is what I use most of the time. And before you apply this, you should use your paper towel to clean up the surface a bit, just to make sure there's no extra debris when you apply the chemical. So just clean up the surface a bit. You apply the chemical to the surface just to prevent the corrosion from spreading. I always think it's a very good measurement to do. It's a very good approach to keep your vehicles, especially these parts, longer. Okay, now we're going to put on the new wiper. Okay, now we comes to a part that we have to put on the new wipers. The new wipers I chose are from Bosch, so I think they are the best in the market so far. You have to make sure the model number is EN26 and EN20, because the adapter, the Lexus use a hook to hook the mount. And you can see there's a pivot in the mount, and you need this model to be able to be compatible to your GX. Okay, let's take a look. Let's take it out. Of course, Bosch is slightly more pricey than the Lexus OEM, but I think they're worth every penny of it. And you'll be able to see this is the mount. gosh. And after you took out the wiper, you can see the mount, and it's most suitable for this kind of a hook. You can tell it's right here. And in order to use this, you have to lift up this part. Like that. Have to lift it, this cover. Then what you're gonna do is you're gonna use this part to hook your the rain wiper hook. Let's go take a look. So I already brought up the wiper. Okay, and what you're gonna do is very simple. Let it go through this and make sure this mount goes up so the hooker can correctly hook it up like this. And just clip it. And you're done. Just like this. And me personally think it's way better than the Lexus OEM one. And let's go pick up another. Over here. Okay. Out. It. This. Take it out. Again, you just lift this cover here, and let's go to the passenger side. It like this, and then go through the cover, make sure they hook into the mount, wiggle it a bit, make sure it's tight, nice and tight, and then you buckle the cover just like that. Way better than the Lexus OEM. Alright, so this is how you're gonna replace your wipers for your GX. Have a good one.